I believe in the risen one.
Hey Mason, can you tell us about the experience you just had catching that huge snook?
Yes, so over here in this vast water.
Did it give you a good fight, Mason?
Yes,
Yeah.
it did. It is much better than freshwater fishing. All that I can say is...
How big do you think he was, Mason?
I would say from like here to that island over there.
That's pretty big.
Yeah.
So you are a true fisherwoman.
Yeah, but I didn't get it.
You didn't get it?
Yeah.
What happened?
Line snapped and then the pole whacked me in the face.
We're gonna try again, right?
Yep.
I was dead in the grave. I was covered in sin and shame.
It's a snook.
I heard mercy call my name. He rolled the sun away. Amen. Amen. I'm alive because he lives. Amen.
Smile, pop up. Having fun?
The world will never end because he lives. I can face tomorrow because he lives. Every fear is gone. I know he holds my life, my future in his hands. Amen. Amen. I'm alive because he lives. Amen. Amen. Let my soul join the world that never ends. Amen. Amen. I'm alive because he lives.
Flip your bail. Flip your bail. There you go, Bill.
You want me to help you, Dad? Dad, this hand, if you put it up here, you have more leverage. There you go. Right? See how that works?
Here's my heart, Lord.
Tatum's already got one.
Here's my
But she couldn't film right.
Lord.
It's a good one, Pop Pop.
Here's my heart, Lord. Speak what is true. Here's my heart, Lord. Here's my heart.
Dad, can you hold him this way?
Here's my heart, Lord. Speak what is true. I am found, I am yours, I am loved.
Slattery.
How'd you do today, Captain Chris?
Caught redfish.
All day long. Every time, every cast. Whoop, whoop.
I am found